In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A14 and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permission. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on this section called Security and Privacy. Then you need to scroll again. This time click on More Privacy Settings and scroll one more time to click on Permission Manager. Now select any of your device's features you want to manage. For example, let's go with camera. Tap on one of your apps listed under one of those categories. In case of my camera, allowed all the time, allowed only while in use, ask each time, every time, or not allowed. I want to manage Chrome from not allowed one, so I have to click on it. Then apply one of those options by clicking on the best one. Camera access for this app, allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I want to pick this one, so when I tap and go back, I can see that Chrome gained access to my device's camera while I'm using my browser. Quick tip most people miss, that you can also go back, pick any feature and only manage an app by clicking on it. For example, let's go into Contacts, only because I wanna manage my Gmail. Now instead of applying any of those options, click on Tiny Text, see all permissions, and manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!